What's up guys, your Biglee here. When it comes to complete chest development, pressing is an integral part of building up the mass. There is another action of your chest that is very important, that is the lateral movement, which we call the flies. Dumbbell flies is one of the best to engage this movement of your chest. All you have to remember is, according to your range of motion, go for maximum stretch so that you simulate all the fibers, and go for a maximum contraction so that you can hit the fibers of the middle chest. When it comes to improving the definition of the chest, this is gonna help you big time. Let me show you how it's done. Grab the dumbbells, hold them tight, lie down comfortably, lift them up, move the dumbbells laterally till your shoulders allow, and come all the way up. And if you look at me, I will turn my dumbbell a little inwards. This inward movement gives me better contraction of my inner chest. So stretch, contract, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Usually I recommend people to go a little high on reps in this exercise because this is more about creating that mind-muscle connection rather than just the load. I prefer somewhere around 12 to 15 rep on this exercise, 3 to 5 sets. Try it out and find new lines on your chest. It's your Biglee, over and out.